is up, YouTube? It's another Redhead Gearhead video today. Today we're going to be unboxing this small box that I got in the mail. So let's get to it real quick. Oh, blow off valve. Let's go. Sweet. So we got a blow off valve. Honestly, I wasn't expecting this. I was gonna order one a lot later. I knew I was gonna get one a lot later, but this kind of just showed up. So I kind of know who sent it to me, but I'm not gonna say their name just because out of respect for them. So I guess let's get to it. So we're almost there. That's the stock blow-off valve. So all I have to do is just take that, and hopefully it should all come out if I did this right. But let's get to it again. Old, new, old, new. Okay, so we got it in now, so now it's basically all a startup. But I am sorry that I didn't show you me putting it in, because I had to do a lot of, not jerry-rigging, but modifications to get it to fit in. So I guess let's start it up and see what it sounds like.